sound of the clapping will help me stay in a straight line, and that's very important. Because if I go to deviate off course just an inch or two, it could end in disaster. So let's have a quick practice. This part's important. This is where I'd like you guys to help me. I'd like you to do 15 claps just with me, getting louder and louder. And if it's loud enough, we'll go for it. Okay, here we go. 1. Perfect. It's enough. Perfect. When you want, just make sure they're real metal. Make sure, check the blades out. Most of one. All good? Okay. You want to check them out? Come on. Check these out. All right. All good. Now, who wants to check the blindfold? I'm gonna ask these gentlemen here. This is your 50 Shades of Grey moment, gentlemen. Are you ready? Yeah. I bet you didn't know this morning another man was going to blindfold you. Say no. Okay. No one's checking the fire. You guys are going to have to take my word for that. It's real fire.